So here we have a hypothetical situation here. Say your hot water heater is going on the fritz. You suspect it's going to break soon. So what you've been doing is just keeping track the last 5 days of the water temperature in your hot water tank. What we're going to do is we're going to create a broken line graph based on the data that you've been collecting, just to give us a visual representation of what it looks like. We're going to go ahead and set up this graph. What we want to do is we want to put our dependent variables on the y-axis here. Let's label this y, and this axis is x. So we're going to have our dependent variables along the y, and if we look at our table, the dependent variables are the temperature of the water, and they depend on what day it is. So that means that our days are our independent variables. We've went ahead and filled in the values for our x and y axes, and we also labeled the y-axis hot water temperature and the x is the days. So to plot this broken line graph, we're going to go to our first set of values, which is day 1, and the day 1 temperature was 90 degrees Fahrenheit. So we just go to our day 1 line and we'll follow it up to where it meets 90 degrees right there, and we'll place a point. And moving on to day 2, we see that our day 2 water temperature is 82 degrees. So we just follow our day 2 line and you approximate 82 degrees. We'll just say it's somewhere right about in here. And once all your points are plotted, you just simply connect the dots. Once we have graphed this, we have represented the table of data visually, and we can clearly see that water temperature is gradually making its way down, which means the hot water temperatures are getting cooler, and we can extrapolate that day 6 is water temperature will be well below the 65-degree mark. And if we remember, extrapolate just simply means to estimate a value based on kind of the trend or the pattern that we're seeing here.